So now I use this right here to push the string in there, and I used what's that red thing that I had also. Oh, right here. I use this to tie the string on there, on the end of it, on the hook right here, and I use this as a needle, and I threaded it up through there, so I made it like this. So here's the bearing down there. Like my finger's the bearing, and the thread is like this. And I use this to thread it from one side to the other on the wheel. So now I got it turning, and then I oil that thread or oil that wick. And you see it's turning without interfering with the wick, the new wick. Then I also took that little black piece of wire that I just had and used that to push the wick through there, right here. Pushed it through that little tunnel right there. Pushed it into there where it could get oil on the wick. All right. So now I can turn that off. That's it.